adhere to YouTube selection guidelines before viewing content of this video. I do not encourage or condone any products, actions, or behaviors shown in this video. All videos are produced in a safe, professional, and controlled environment. This is not an attempt to replicate any actions performed during the video. All actions are performed by professionals.
Welcome back to another video, y'all. You already know Cash Out Real is back here with a video, and you already know.
Back here with another video. Skater Hater here with another video, and today we're bringing you a banger, okay? What are we bringing you? This one. And what is it, dude?
It is the Muha Strawberry Cough.
Yum.
Sorry, that took me a minute to read. We're gonna be trying this. It's a 2 gram, you know, like the rest of them. So we're gonna be like,
just like the regulars. We're gonna be smoking on this 2 gram Muha Disposable Strawberry Cough flavor. And I'm so excited to get into this. I'm excited to get into this with my boy. Be sure to leave a like, okay? And be sure to comment. And if you comment, we might like it. We might reply to it. And if you comment, it helps with engagement. So be sure to comment.
definitely comment on the video.
So, as you can see, right here, it has the, you know, that's how you know it's from real shit, medical shit.
It's 2 gram cards. It has, let me see, hold on.
Read.
So I read this when I was at work today. So it has 2 grams in it. There is officially THC. There's THC, oh my God. 400 THC inside of it. And then the CBD, 4.984.
Let me read this.
What the fuck
Are you yapping about? THC percent is 84.05%. CBD is 4.99%. I don't know where the fuck he got 400 CBD.
Dude, I
400 THC. What?
I seen 400 CBDs on there, bro. I seen 4 extra numbers.
I seen 400 CBDs on there, bro. Where did this? We're gonna be opening this, and for the Muhas, whenever you open them, it doesn't end. You open it, you take the box out, or you take this out, and it's a little baggie.
Oh yeah.
Always it has a little guy on it, a little monkey guy,
and it always has a message on the back.
Let's read this message together. Good vibes, only one puff at a time. All right. So we're gonna be just like this guy right here, and we're gonna smack it real quick.
We're gonna have one good puff, and we're gonna smack it out.
As you see, we opened that right there.
Beautiful. Look how majestic that looks. That looks so nice.
And then you just squeeze it out like it's a Danimal's Crush Cup. Right there, crew. Autofocus is beautiful on this professional camera. I think we should take one small hit for the flavor, then one big hit for the litness.
You take the flavor, I'll take the litness.
No. Fuck! Take one small hit for the flavor. No, that tastes so good. It tastes like a gum, kind of like a Trident orange gum.
That tastes beautiful. It tastes like heaven came out of hell.
And it's kind of like whenever you exhale out of your nose after you already taste it, you have the taste on your tongue. You exhale out of your nose. That's when you really taste it.
Oh God, for sure. It tastes so amazing. The moment you taste that, you can feel every taste, every hit comes out of your mouth. Whew.
It's really good. And so now for the geekiness. It's time to geek, y'all.
Blinker.
If y'all got it, be sure to hit it with us no matter what it is. If it's a pen, if it's a bowl, if it's a bong, if it's a joint, if it's a blunt, if it's a spliff, if it's a cigarette. I don't condone smoking cigarettes. I don't condone any of this. Be sure to know that this is for only educational purposes only, and we have that disclaimer at the beginning of the video. And every single video that got struck down with age restriction, I appealed it, and it got unage restricted. So take that, y'all, because this is educational content. We're telling you about the flavor, the feeling, and the medicinal qualities. We explained the medicinal qualities at the beginning. Now let's get geeked.
Amen.
Blinker City, y'all. Blinker City.
My fucking cart, dog! While brother is geeking. So what do you think about this pen? The joke is, in the videos, I always ask him about what he thinks about it in the middle of him dying.
Like I can speak while I'm over here dying.
You got it.
As if I can
Are you
have
okay?
a whole.
Talk about it. Talk about the pen.
As if I can have a whole conversation.
Talk about the
with your
pen.
ass.
Talk about the pen. You're talking right now.
It's great. That pen is killing me. Lord have mercy on our souls.
Anyways, guys, this is a wonderful Muha Meds review of the strawberry cough. You thought it was good, yeah? I thought it was pretty good. So yeah,